Hello everybody, I'm Scotty. Welcome back to Scotty's Clock World. Movement looks right now. It's all been put back together, been oiled. Little birds on the top. I think it's in the correct position. We'll see once we put the movement back into the case. We might have to modify it slightly. I've darkened the case up. I didn't like the pale walnut colour on it. It's now a lot darker. So we're going to put the movement back into the case. First up, we'll drop the chains through the holes in the bottom of the case. Once we get them untangled. First one. Make sure they're untangled first. Second one. And into that hole there. Pull it through. That's those two. Now, the outside one here goes into the fourth hole. I'll get up. Handle on that, pull it through. I haven't been able to pull the other end through very fast, so we'll end up putting that in once the movement goes in. Bring the chains down. And the fourth one, dip the little bird under, we don't want to snap him off, and drop the movement down, draw the chains out. We've got to find the other one, which is down there. We'll grab that with a pair of tweezers. We hope there's just enough to drop out through the third hole over there. And there is, only just, but it's just there. Whoops, twisted it over on the other one. I'll take that out. Try it again. There we go, that's got him. Right. Now we'll align the movement with the holes that we're going to put the screws back into. There we are. Now I'll get some screws. Get our screw holding screwdriver. We'll start tightening down the movement. First one goes there. Another one. That one goes over in there. Pretty dark in there, but anyway, that's where it goes. Wind it in a bit, the screwdriver out, load it up again. Third screw up there, got him. Wind it down a little bit. And the fourth one goes over there. Didn't seem to go in very well. I'll move that movement up a tiny bit, line the hole a bit better. And that's got it. Alright, I'll tighten those screws down with a normal screwdriver now. And then we can check and see how well we've got the bird aligned. Third one's fallen out. I'll have to put that back in again. The second one actually. Tighten down. Now, open the front door. We'll see how the little bird goes. Make sure it's in the correct position. We can find his tail. Could move over to the right just a tiny little bit. All right, we'll do that. It's better. Little bird's in the centre now. I've got the first bellows in, as you can see over here. The low note. I'll lift it up. You can hear it's working. It was great fun getting that attached into the case, because in this model we've got 3 staples, wire staples that hold it in, and getting the individual legs on those staples into the original holes where they were was a lot of fun. So I've got the next set of staples lined up ready to roll. We got the bellows. First up, we'll attach the lift rod on down there. Right, I'll get a pair of pliers. We'll close that up. Seems got him. All right. Now put the bellows, move the hammer, put the bellows down into the case. Now another fun part. We have to line up the original holes on the side of the bellows with the staples that are sticking through. So I'll find where the set of holes is, hopefully, and I think not easy to see down there. I'll get a torch and see if that makes it a bit easier. Very, very close. I think moved up a little bit. I'll come back. Actually, what I'll do to make it easier, I'll put a line on the bellows where the holes are. Make it easier to align. I'm only going to get the first one in, and then the rest will follow. Right, a little bit more light without doing it too much. And I think that may be about it. Let's see, I'll get a pair of pliers, see if we can push this first staple in or not. Right, finally got them lined up. The lift wire has come off. I'll have to reinstall that once we get, goes down to there. All right. In the meantime, we'll put this bellow in by pushing these staples in. Going in. And the third one. Now, in on the side of the pliers. Phew, all right, that's got that in. Now, what we're going to do now is get this lift wire over. I'll get that one out of the road, then put that over there. A little bit. I'll hold that with the tweezers while I close up this wire down here so it doesn't come out again. Alright, I think that's got it. Goes up. Wait a minute. that has gone over the top of the, there it goes, all right. That appears to be, I think that's all right. I'll have a look and see. So that we've got the bellows lifts. Right, I think that's right, just there. And if we look down here, I've put the rings and the hooks on. It's a new hook, it didn't have hooks, but it's original ring. They've been cleaned with a Dremel machine. Same on the other side, looking nice and clean. So we're now ready to put the hands on. Our little bird there, looking very nice. All right, let's have a look and see what we've got in the way of hands. Put him on, 12 o'clock. Now we've got a square piece there. It sits there. Then we put the minute hand on, which goes there. Then a washer goes over the top of that. And then the knurled nut to hold it all together. Put that on, twist it down, preferably without breaking the, it's off center. Okay, tighten that down. That hand has to be tight on the minute arbor. There we go. And I don't think that the hour hand has to be quite so far down there. Oh, that's come loose. Tighten that down again. Tighten the knurl nut. We should now be able to turn the hand round. Well, I'll put the back on, I'll put the weights on, I'll hang it up on a hook and we'll test it and see how it goes.